Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of TD 101. In this episode, we will show you how to draw a triangle when you are given the length of one side and the measurement of two angles. Stay tuned. Okay, so we have here two triangles, and let's start with the first one. The first triangle, we are given the base line, the measurement of the baseline. So let's draw that first, and that is 75 millimeters. So as usual, we draw a construction line, and on that construction line we will measure 75 millimeters from point A, like we put point A anywhere on the line, to point B, so that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then 5 strokes. Once we have done this, we can now observe the angles. Now angle CAB is 60 degrees and angle ABC is 45 degrees. And just in case you have forgotten how to read the angles, the letter in the middle signifies the point at which the angle is supposed to be drawn, and the other 2 points are the other points that the angle will be extended to. So at angle, or point A rather, we will have an angle of 60 degrees, and at point B we will have an angle of 45 degrees. So let's go ahead and draw the 60-degree angle at point A. We can brighten A in the meantime if we wish, or we can do it after. So this is line AB. I'm opening my arc to a convenient radius, and I'm swinging. It doesn't have to cut this side because I don't want the angle over this side, but it has to cut this side to the right, because I'm going to use that point to swing the next arc without shifting the compass. So I won't interfere with the radius of the compass, and I'll swing. And in the description, I will put the link for drawing the angles, just in case you've forgotten how to draw a 60-degree angle, a 45-degree angle, or a 90-degree angle. The links will be in the description. So this is the third point that we have gotten, and we will proceed now to draw that line. So this is the 60-degree line. And due to the fact that we don't know the measurement, we cannot brighten as yet. So I'm now going to construct a 45-degree angle at point B, and by doing so we have to firstly construct a 90-degree angle. So after swinging an arc, I'm going to open my compass a bit wider. Hold on a bit. Let me brighten this arc a bit so that you can see it. Alright, so I'm going to open my compass a bit wider using these 2 points to swing 2 arcs using the same radius. So I'm not going to shift the compass when I'm using the point to the left now. So this is my 90-degree angle, which I will not brighten because that's not the final angle that I need. I only need this point from the 90-degree angle to get the 45-degree angle. Now I'm changing the radius to another convenient radius. Swinging from one side, swinging to the other side. And this is the point that my 45-degree line will be passing through, and I like to use my 45-degree set square for this application, even though I could have just used any set square to pass the line through. But by using the 45-degree set square, I can ensure that the line is indeed 45 degree. All right, so once I am drawing this line, I can now proceed to brighten due to the fact that I know where this line will stop. I don't know the measurement, but I know that it must touch the 60-degree line that was drawn previously. Now I can proceed to brighten that 60-degree line. So this is the triangle where the angle at A is 60 degrees, the angle at B is 45 degrees, and the length from A to B is 75 millimeters. Now, let's proceed to the other triangle. Now, they did not give us the length for AB, they gave us the length for AC. Now, let's establish point A. And at point A, they are telling us that there's an angle of 60 degrees. So let's draw that angle. We already know how to draw that angle. We already know that at point A, we are going to swing an arc. That arc should cut the line at the side that we want the angle, which is over the right side. We are going to put the point or the compass point at the point where the arc cuts the line to swing the other arc using the same radius of the compass. Then we are going to draw our 60-degree line, ensuring that we are not brightening the line as yet because we want to establish the length. Now, if you look on the drawing, it says that AC should be 50 millimeters. So I'm going to take my set square to measure the arc. So I'm going to open my set square to 50 millimeters, like this, from 0 to 5. Then I'm going to swing an arc from A to cut the line. So this is my point C. And from A to this point is 50 millimeters, as I've measured here. Now we know that at point C, we are supposed to have a 90-degree angle. And this is where things can get a bit tricky because the angle is not positioned upright as usual. So, but it's the same procedure. So I'm going to open my compass to a convenient radius, put it at point C, swing an arc, or a semicircle specifically. I use the radius so that this circle doesn't overlap this one. It won't be a problem if it overlaps it, but it may be a bit more confusing. So on the semicircle, these are the 2 points that I'm going to use. I'm going to open my compass a bit wider, and from each point, I'm going to swing an arc. So whatever radius I've used for this point, I'm going to keep the compass's radius for the other point. And I've gotten those 2 arcs. I'm wondering if you can see them. And at this point, I am going to draw a 90-degree line. Now, I have to position the set square for this one And I can proceed to brighten this line because I know that it stops on the line. This line that went across, I can brighten. And this will give me point B. So this angle that is formed at C between A and B, so BCA, that angle, BCA, that is 90 degrees. We were not given a measurement for AB, but we did not need it for this particular exercise. I'm going to brighten AB now because I now know where B stops. And I can proceed to brighten AC. I could have brightened it once I've measured the point, but I choose to do it now. So this is a triangle that has been constructed given the length of one side and two angles. So there you have it. I hope you were paying attention keenly. You can rewatch this video as many times as you like. You can rewatch the previous videos on angles so that you can reinforce the knowledge. You can also like, subscribe, and share the knowledge for others to see. Have a good day.